It looks quite big there. So what, is this a good shop or is it a good shop?
No, it's a good shop.
Is it up there with the good op shops?
Yeah, it is.
It's our resident duck.
Hey,
Belonging to Kate.
I'm coming for a swim. Let's
Are you
go.
going for a swim?
You can come for a swim.
Are you enjoying yourself, ladies?
Bit of a balancing act.
It's lovely, isn't it?
You're in.
I've got to have the duck going in.
Oh, the duck will come straight out. No, duck, I'm going in too. Come on, let's go. You go for a swim.
Here he is.
What's the lot of
Oh, look at him. He's on your back.
Oh, jeez. Sorry, duck.
Oh, look at it.
And swim with everybody. Didn't you, duck?
Sorry, I'm not getting too
Fine. You had a
close.
great swim.
Did you have a nice time?
What did you?
Oh, she's going to jump, is she? Are you being a duck? She. Look at everybody watching.
No one's watching. Just the world. Don't eat the trees.
Let go.
Yay! Right, who's going next?
I'm going 3. Whoa! I knew I should on 3. Come on, get it. So Eileen? Yes, you do, mate. Put out your ace, someone. Come on, somebody, be nasty. Put an ace out there. Come on, where's the ace?
This is the leader, ladies. This is who we're chasing.
Jesus.
Yay!
2 points.
Oh, have you? Yeah. Let's get another drink. Linda. No, it's too far. Watch it. Linda, 11. She's overshot. She's overshot.
Can't make it all easy.
We're